Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Today guys will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford F-150. We're talking specifically about that generation 15, 16 and 17 guys. If you have one of those, you need to find the fuse for the power seats, massaging seats, also known as multi-contour seats. Stay with us guys, we'll explain where that fuse is located. There is another fuse for the driver and passenger seat, power seats fuses separately, but there is one that controls the massaging portion and the multi-contour aspect of that. So we'll explain that, we'll explain where you can buy cheap fuses and relays and why it's important to test them so you don't waste your time and money. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car that we'll get here at the garage, we'll try to make every single fuse video and show you where it's located. Why we do that? Because if you're in the middle of the road guys, in the middle of nowhere, and you need to find that fuse specifically, it will take you a shorter amount of time to just search for that video instead of looking for the manual in your glove box. And most of the times people lose their manuals. And if you don't know which fuse, let's say, to replace for ignition coils, fuel injectors, fuel pump, you may be just stuck in the middle of nowhere. So that's why we are making all these videos guys. We're constantly working here at the garage, we're taking things apart as you can see. And if you want to check out guys, we have 3 channels that altogether have more than 1.1 million subscribers. Okay, we have all the mechanical work there. This channel that you're watching right now, we're going to list the fuse videos here so we can save you guys time, money, and we can make it conveniently for you guys. So let's start on it now. So what we have here specifically, we'll demonstrate on 2016 Ford F-150 guys. If you open the hood on your Ford F-150, right under the hood you can see this is the radiator overflow tank, this is the car battery, and if you come on this side guys and we zoom in even a little bit more, you're going to see your fuse box cover right there. Open that fuse box cover and you'll see guys the fuse box that looks just like that. This is the front of the truck, this is towards the windshield, towards the back. Let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste your time and money. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. You can see guys how you have different kinds of fuses, relays. Those could be really hard to find or impossible to find or expensive in small towns. You may be stuck in the middle of nowhere if you don't have a spare. We recommend to keep some in your glove box as spare, and we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price and quick shipping. The fuse that we need to check today will be in that fuse panel in that row right here, and if you come and count fuse number 6 from bottom to top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that 10M fuse you will need to check guys. Right here it's known as fuse number 19. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.